In the last video, we saw how IConfucius AI agent is running on the internet computer blockchain, and we saw it generating profound codes in English and Chinese. We also saw IConfucius source code, which is open source released by onicai team. Hence, I thought, why not install this on a computer? Let's see how to do that. The first step is to download the source code. Click on this green button and click on download zip. This will download the source code on a computer. Unzip the downloaded folder and rename it to IConfucius. Go to VS Code and open the downloaded folder and go to your readme file. Here you will find all the instructions to install IConfucius. The first step is to install Miniconda on your computer. Go to the Anaconda website and download the Miniconda installer. Now install Miniconda. Miniconda lets you create isolated Python environments and install packages easily without interfering with your system's Python or dealing with complex setup steps. Once Miniconda is installed, we need to create the environment. For that, copy the command, paste here, hit enter. This will begin installing the Conda environment. Once this is done, you need to activate the environment. For that, copy this command, paste here and hit enter. You will see the environment activated under the name IConfucius. Once this is done, we need to install all the requirements that IConfucius project needs. For that, copy the command, paste here and hit enter. This will install all the required dependencies that the project needs. Now, we need to download our Qwen 2.5 Alibaba LLM model and put it inside the IConfucius folder. Go to this link, go to files and versions and download the Qwen 2.5 Q8 model. Next, we need to create this folder and place our LLM file inside it. Copy this file, go to IConfucius folder, go to LLMS, Llama, CPP, Canister, models, Qwen 2.5 and paste it here. You can verify if the file is placed correctly or not. Use this command, paste here and hit enter. Next step is to install mops. Mops is basically a package manager for the Motoko language used to manage and fetch dependencies, helping the IConfucius project run smoothly on the internet computer. To install mop, go to this link, copy this command, paste it here and hit enter. This will download mop. Run the command mops init. Then do a mops install. Next, you need to install dfx. dfx is the core SDK for the internet computer used to build, deploy and manage canisters, helping us run and test IConfucius locally. To install dfx, run this command, then copy this, paste here and run this. That's it. The installation steps are complete. Now we just need to deploy this on a local server. Open another terminal and run the following command, dfx start --clean and hit enter. This will start the local server. Now copy the following command, paste, hit enter. The deployment process begins. This script compiles the code and starts uploading the LLM model to the internet computer canister. This process takes some time because internet computer has a 2 MB per message size limit. Hence the LLM model is split into multiple chunks and uploaded piece by piece to the canister. Once this is done, we are ready to test the canisters and generate the codes. Go to your src IConfucius folder, copy the following command and run the command. You will see LLMs generating the code. You can try this in Chinese too. Just use the Chinese keyword and you will see a Chinese code being generated. That's it. This is how you install IConfucius AI agent on your computer and run it. We'll talk more about IConfucius in the videos ahead. So stay tuned.